It's a little squirrely, but you still got it, I think. One pebble and it's all over.
But
Now this, I don't think you can flip it by just driving. I think you would have to actually run into something or like go off a cliff. How are you doing zero turn in a fucking semi?
That's just how it works, baby.
I'm not even moving. You're like rotating around me.
Baby.
I'm being orbited.